Hey everyone! With Easter coming up, I thought it would be a great time to show you how to make egg shakers out of plastic Easter eggs. Whoa! And so what we're going to do is we're going to take the plastic egg, if you have any extra, and we're going to take some spoons, if you would like a handle. And what we're going to do is we're going to take some rice, or I have rice, but you could use beans or beads, or you could mix and match, make different shakers, because some, based on the ingredient inside, will be louder or softer. And you're going to take just a handful. I have basmati rice here. You're going to put it in the egg. That's enough. And you're going to cover it. And it's already a shaker. But if you want to make it extra special, what you can do to keep it longer is you could put some spoons on it like this. Whoa! And you're going to put the handles together. And you're going to tape it. And it'll come out looking something like this. Now this one is special because I made this when I was a kid. When I was your age, I made this. And my mom has kept it all these years. And it still works just as good. So no matter what color egg you used or no matter how long you keep it, you could make an Easter egg shaker that you could use with some of our shaker songs. And I hope that you enjoy, and I hope that you enjoy this nice music project of making an instrument together. Thanks. See you soon.